So we've got our natural greenhouse effect in this diagram on day 2 of your notes. Find them in your packet right now on page 4. And just to recap the natural greenhouse effect, we have a normal amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. You can see some of these gases on the left here: carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and CH4, which is methane. Now, those normal amount of gases let some heat be re-emitted and some escapes. So you can see some is sent back towards Earth, some escapes out into space. That's our normal greenhouse effect. That means Earth stays at its normal temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Now, as humans came along and we created something called the anthropogenic greenhouse effect. Again, that is our human created greenhouse effect. And the way that works is there are lots more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. You can see this down on the bottom right. More greenhouse gases, that means more carbon dioxide from our factories, cars, planes, and trains. And what those increased amounts of greenhouse gases are going to lead to is more heat being re-emitted and less heat escaping. So you can see these arrows here. We have a lot of heat re-emitted, a lot of heat re-radiated. So our atmosphere is very hot. Very little is escaping out into space. And you guessed it, that means our Earth gets much warmer. So the anthropogenic or human-created greenhouse effect causes Earth to be even warmer because there's that entire big layer of gases trapping heat within our atmosphere. Let's recap underneath our diagram on day 2.